Today I'm going to remix a Latin song and make a AfroDrill type beat in FL Studio from scratch. So let's go. So to find the sample I used ChatGPT. I asked him for some iconic summer Spanish or Latin songs with saxophone or vocal that I can remix in a drill beat, and he gave me a list of some songs. I chose to use this one, and of course I searched for the saxophone cover, removed the drums. This will be the sample. Samba vibes. Oh yeah, let's start making the drums. So those are the sounds that I'm going to use: kick, airway, countersnare, percussion, second percussion, clap, second clap, and a chant. So I'm going to make the afro pattern with the perc and layer it with a countersnare pattern. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to add the clap now. Maybe I try it here and then here and here. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, I'm gonna put the kick right now. Yeah, let me add the airway real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna put the chant at the end, like here. Let's see. yeah, let's arrange the beat a little bit and let's see the final result, if it's worth it. So I'm gonna put maybe the clap loop at the intro, and then a fill and the drop. Yeah, so basically I finished the beat and I'm gonna let you hear the final beat, but before, make sure you check my Patreon to get this FLP. It will be available on it. Make sure you subscribe. So that's the final beat. Yeah, so this was the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe to the channel. Download this FLP on my Patreon. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you watch another video of mine. Follow me on Instagram. So thank you for watching and see you next time.